What's up, my fellow MMA super fans? My name is Nisi Casiano. Makakasama natin ngayon sa programa, well, coming off a close unanimous decision victory at one Fight Night 15. Ladies and gentlemen, back in the winner's circle, Joshua, the Passion Pasio. Champ, Ading, congratulations on the victory.
Awali ka. Ayun. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, kuya. Thank you, kuya. And sa mga supporters natin, kababayan natin sa suporta. Yun, salamat.
Alright, bago ang lahat, ang tanong ko muna, did you expect that this fight against Mansur Malakayev was going to be that tough para kang pumasok sa butas ng karayom?
Expect, expected ko na talagang hindi magiging madali. Lagi naman eh. All of my fights. But now, talagang na-expect ko na uh, hindi magiging madali. He is undefeated for a reason. And yun nga, pinatunayan niya yung talagang yung tibay niya, yung lakas niya. And we all know, Dagestani fighters, kakaiba yung mga yan.
Ikaw ba malaking testament to doon, etong panalo na to doon sa mga pinagdaanan mo? Of course, hindi naman, alam naman natin lahat na hindi madali yung kung paano nagsimula etong campaign mo to getting to this point. We all know that. Tapos, alam mo, nagkaroon ka rin ng self-searching eh. Para sa career mo, paano mo gagawin, para mo ulit i-rebuild yung foundation mo. How satisfying na nandito ka sa puntong nito, plus you're now relishing that victory, kahit sabihin natin talagang medyo nakakakaba siya nung binabasa yung scorecard.
Honestly, no, sabi ko, hindi naging madali. Ang hirap in the past 10 months. Ang daming challenges, ang daming pagsubok. Pero, yun nga, fighter tayo. So, we are here. And of course, honestly, hindi naman ako impressed sa performance ko ngayon. That's not the best Joshua Passion na kung masasabi ko. That's not the best Joshua Passion. And just wanna thank Jesus Christ for giving me the victory. Victory na hindi lang itong victory na to, victory sa lahat ng napagdaanan ko, napagdaanan namin ng team, napagdaanan namin nila Kuya Edward. So, kumbaga, pagkatapos ng victory nito, kumbaga, doon lang ako nakahinga ng gusto. So, hard work pays off. Yan lang yung masasabi ko.
Now, do you think this victory puts you back into the conversation when it comes to the world title? Or dahil nga nasabi mo na parang it's not the best Joshua Pasio, do you believe that you need another fight before facing the champion, or this is enough for you to tell the world na okay, probably the next fight is going to be a rematch?
Kumbaga, kung rematch, okay na. Okay ako. Pero I just needed this win para lang makahinga and to release it all. So, yun nga ang sabi ko, thank you Lord for the victory. He's my strength always. And I got the victory and ayun, mas nakaset na yung utak ko ulit na to go. Kung ibigay nag-my day na nga si Jared Brooks
Oo,
agad
oo
kanina
na.
eh.
Yung TV na ibalik na naman.
Oo nga, wala pa nga yung TV, wala si Brooks yun.
Uh,
So, ayun, kung rematch, then let's do it. Kung hindi, give me another top fight. I'll fight it. I'll fight him. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko. Oh, give me. Oh, kahit sino sa top 5, bigay sa labanan ko.
Ngayon, Josh, the only difference ako sa observation ko, the fight against Brooks, lagi mo sinasabi na parang you fought the best wrestler. Pero ngayon parang nakita din natin ngayon sa'yo na kahit papaano na dinidepensa mo yung lahat ng takedowns, active ka. Is that the lesson that you learned from that fight na na-carry over mo? Sabihin natin, na dapat mong ma-implement because you're facing another wrestler in the form of Mansoor Malakayo.
Yun yung in every fight, I have an error and yun yung nakita ko na yes, so he took me down. Sabihin na natin na wala siyang ginagawa. I can stand up pero bakit hindi ko ginagawa? I can stand up, kaya ko pero bakit hindi ko ginagawa? So I was so relaxed in there na kasi wala siyang ginagawa eh. Just a little bit of punching. Ako nag-elbow, ganun. And bakit hindi ako tumayo ganun, diba? Bakit hindi ako tumayo? Bakit hindi ako ring yung I don't know. Ang daming sigurong emotions na going on my mind. Pero nga, gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, na-release ko na. After they raised my hands, parang nag-release na lahat. So, I don't know, I need to go back to the drawing board. Gusto kong bumalik agad sa training. At iset yung mga kamali ko sa laban na ito.
Josh, I just want to ask you this. Kasi sabi mo you're still active kahit fighting ka on your back. Kasi hindi bago sa akin yun dahil nakita ko yung ginawa mo yung kay Yoshitaka Naito in 2016. Nandun ako sa Myanmar nung nilabanan mo si Yoshitaka Naito. So, I saw glimpses of that in that fight. So, ako, kampante ako in that kung nandun ka sa situation. Pero ang tanong ko is, naging fixated ka ba in terms of, let's say, handling yung wrestling niya because you expected it na parang magiging high pressure wrestler siya. Dahil yun naman talaga yung background niya eh.
Yeah. I don't know, yeah. Nung nang shoot siya, na-feel ko, iba si Brooks eh. Iba yung wrestling ni Brooks. Mas mabigat. Yung top pressure, iba. Mas mabigat yung top pressure talaga ni Brooks. So, I was so confident in that position. And of course, I almost got him with that guillotine choke. I mean, naririnig ko yung hinga niya eh. Parang gumagano'n na. So, rinig ko yung bell eh. hindi naman stop ni. Natawa ako nun eh. Medyo nag-release din ako doon nung rinig yung bell. So, medyo nag-release yung guillotine ko doon. So, I don't know. Ang alam ko lang, sa akin yung damage category, the legs, the face, na-damage ko din siya. Although na-cut niya din ako dito. And yun nga, he caught me with a spinning backfish on the round 2. Pero nung nag-drop ako, natawa na lang ako. Natawa ako kasi nakuha niya ako sa isa sa mga specials ko. Sabi ko. So, I was not rocked. Hindi ako na-groggy doon. Medyo na-pasmile ako.
Do you believe that's a lapse on your part? Kasi masyado kang fixated dun sa part na expected mo magre-wrestling kayo. So, medyo nagkaroon ng oversight when it comes to stand-up. Did it surprise you na gano'n yung stand-up niya?
Yes. Yung haba ng kamay. Yung haba ng kamay niya, nakakagulat. Mahaba yung kamay ni Mansoor. Yung reach niya. So, I thought, ito, jab eh. Na-jab din ako. Jab yung first round. After ko siyang nakat, akala ko hindi maglalan yung jab niya. Ang haba pala yung kamay nito. So, yun. Mahaba yung kamay niya, mahaba yung reach niya. So, nakukuha din ako sa suntok. Pero hindi naman malakas yung suntok.
Josh, sa pag-uusapan natin to, way back, na nasabi mo nga, when you fought Jared Brooks, may mga ilang tao kang hinahanap sa corner mo para gabayan ka dun sa title defense mo, that unsuccessful title defense. Ngayon, kasama mo ngayon si Coach Don Don, na hinanap-hanap mo in that fight. Ngayon kasama mo si Coach Dondon in this fight. So hindi nakakalam, Coach Dondon is the striking and boxing coach ng Lions Nation MMA. Your inspiration na si Kuya Edward mo nandun din sa corner. Yung buddy mo na si Jeremy Pacatiu ay kasama rin in that corner. How does it feel na parang para sa iyo, sa preference mo, you have the right people guiding you in that tough situation against Mansur Malakayev?
It's great. Jeremy Pacato, siya yung training partner ko dito, main training partner ko dito sa camp na to. Kasi mahaba ngayong kamay ni Mansur. And, ayun, yung kung paano nakuha si Mansur dito, that's an semi-uppercut yun. Nung mapag-shoot niya nung first round, nakuha ko. Kulang lang sa follow-up. So, doon, nakuha ko. Credits to Coach Dondon the boxing and the leg kicks. Isa sa mga game plan namin yun nila Kuya Edward. Although yung knees hindi ko na-apply yung leg kicks. Game plan namin nila Jeremy at Kuya Edward and of course si Coach Zaide. Ups to them. So that's the game. One of my game plan is yung leg kicks. Yun lang. Bakit hindi ko din finalo up long first round? Ba't ko pa tinuturo sa referee? I could have finished the fight faster. But nakuha ko na sana yung PK doon. Yun na yung first round.
So, ilan yung sa mga adjustments na dapat naisip mo during that fight na parang feel mo kaya mong talunin via TKO si Mansur Malakayev? Let's, of course, for clarification. Okay. Now, heading to the next chapter, sabi mo nga, you're ready for the rematch. You're ready for whoever na ihahain sa'yo ng one championship as long as nasa top 5. Talking about, of course, Hiroba Minowa, Bokang Masunaine, Gustavo Ballard, whatever. Ngayon, ang tanong, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, medyo hindi mo gusto yung proseso ng weight cut mo in this fight. Naging, ano ba siya? Naging malaking factor ba siya sa'yo as to how you carried yourself in the fight? Yung na parang, etong parte na to kailangan ko ma-address in case I decide to stay in the strawweight division.
Yes. Kasi matagal din yung 10 months layoff. So, and of course, it's my part as an athlete to, discipline myself for the weight. So, yun, isa sa mga factors yun din na tinitignan ko coming up with this fight. Isa sa mga errors ko din yun. So, kung mag-assist kasi ako, hindi lang sa ibang tao, I will start on myself. So, isa yun sa mga ayaw ko. And right now, I will maintain my weight around 60, 61. Like that. So, doon ako magpapalakas. Then, it's all good.
Oh, sige, di muna kita ayain sa buffet sa Newtown kung ganyan ang gusto mong mangyari.
Pwede.
Anyway, Josh, ang kinaganda dito, nakikita mo yung good side and also the bad side. Pero excited ka ba kahit papaano, kahit nasa stage ka ng career mo nito, nakikita mo pa rin yung room for growth para ma-develop ka pa as an athlete?
Oo naman ko yan. I'm magto-28 years old na ako. I need
January.
I need talaga to level up. Marami pa akong kailangan matutunan. Especially na I'm fighting in the highest level dito sa strawweight division dito sa buong mundo. And I'm so glad kasi I was able to compete against, if you look at the top 5, if you look at Mansur, hindi yan mga basta-basta. Yung sinasabi nila, there's levels in this game.
Yeah,
There's levels in
I
this
agree.
game and kailangan natin mag-level up, mag-level up, mag-level up.
Ngayon,
Yun.
Joshua, ngayon, I think na tanong ko na yung dapat kong tanungin. Pero for sure, marami pa tayong pag-uusapan pag nakauwi ka. But before we let you go, baka meron kang nais pasalamatan, supporters mo, lalo sa mga nag-abang to see this triumphant moment na makabalik ka in the winner's circle.
Ayun, first of all, I just want to thank Jesus for the strength and all the confidence that He gave me for the victory. Thank you. And thank you sa lahat ng mga supporters namin, kababayans, fans that always there supporting us in Philippines and my team Lions Nation MMA, sa lahat ng coaches namin, training partners, sa lahat ng sponsors namin na dyan palagi. Thank you very much. And sa'yo din, Kuya Nisa. Thank you, Kuya Nisa, and God bless us all.
So, kita-kita na lang tayo pagbalik nyo dito sa Maynila. Ay,
Oh,
Maynila, sa Baguio, sa
yes.
Pilipinas, sa Baguio, whatever. Anyway, Joshua
Mamaya,
Pasio, mamaya, ewan.
libad kami mamaya.
Madaling araw pa kayo babalik dito. Anyway, Champ, maraming salamat sa oras and of course, we wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you, Kuya.
That's it for all of us here on the MMA Superfan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to stay up to date for all the latest content here on the MMA Superfan. Again, I'm Nisi Casiano with the champ, and probably the future champ, the future king of the strawweight division, Joshua Pasha. Till next time.